Hey mamas, welcome to the Mommy Pockets channel. I am so excited you're here. I am going to be doing something really exciting today. I'm making a fall wreath for the first time and I'm bringing y'all with me and teaching you exactly how I did it. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you can get updated. We are starting, this is the very first video of the holiday series. This whole holiday season through fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. I'm gonna be doing different things each week catered to whatever season we're in. And this week, the very first one, I'm making a fall wreath for the very first time. I've always wanted to do this. We actually, if you haven't checked out the TMP Talk series, I just finished that up and it was great. One of our guests, we were talking about using your creative outlet as a mom, and I was always saying I wanted to make a wreath, and here I am doing it. They were having a sale at Michael's and I just took it as a sign to, hey, you've always said you want to do it, so let's do it. I actually was putting it all together in the store and I'm like, oh my god, I wish I could have just made this video in the store and then brought it home with me. I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful wreath and then top it off with a big giant bow and some really cute floral designs. Let's get started. So y'all, whenever you're deciding to make a wreath, first you want to pick out your theme. I am really obsessed with fall colors, so I wanted to go with an orange wreath. So I picked out this orange wreath. It was actually in the Halloween section. So I got really creative when I was at Michael's. And then you want to pick out your different types of embellishments and I guess accessories. I don't know what they'd be called. I just call them embellishments. But I really liked Thankful. That was really cute. And just all of these colors really tied it nicely to bring out the fall season and sense of excitement. I got trapped by all the fall decorations in Hobby Lobby and Michael's. You won, you got me. I got plenty of stuff. These aren't too expensive. Like this piece is $5.99. You can see that. But this is going to be everything, and this is what you need. So this is just kind of going to be a wraparound. You'll see how, if you saw earlier, this will be a wraparound. It's going to go on top, and then we're going to tie it with a beautiful big white and gold bow. And a hot glue gun. Don't forget the hot glue gun. If y'all are curious, the reason I'm doing this on my living room floor is because everyone's sleeping. It is nighttime, so I am just kind of comfy lounging. This is reality. This is mom life. And I really I have no room. So my hot glue gun is set up over there. It wasn't long enough and I didn't want to get extension cords because they're in the other room and I don't want to wake everybody. We're going to go ahead and start off with our wreath. Don't forget scissors too. And you kind of just want to get everything set up the way you like it and then adjust the hot glue gun as you go. The first two pieces were going to be these two. These two are going to go on the bottom like this. So I'm going to stick them in and I'll show y'all after I do that. So if you can see like that, I just kind of stuck that in there. And then I can hot glue gun some of these leaves on it afterwards. So you want to kind of have it at a diagonal because we're building up and around and you want to build that curvature of your wreath. Just play with it and make it your own little unique type of pattern. I don't like things to be that symmetrical. I like it to be a little more chaotic and have a little more pizzazz because that's my life and that's reality. So this is going to be the base and this just kind of has a lot of oomph to it. It just really brings the whole wreath to life. Next we're going to have my Thankful piece, which I picked out. You can pick out whatever you want. This is just how I was doing it. I just kind of like to have that as a base. So it kind of just goes right there and it really just brings everything together once it's complete. I'm gonna add this in next. So that's gonna be like that right there. It's gonna say Thankful. So this is, once you have your Thankful piece in there, you're gonna wanna start building up and around. So maybe a little more of this. Next, we're gonna add in this piece and we're gonna put it under the thankful sign to get rid of any of all of that extra space. And this is just really gonna fill it up and make it look very bountiful. Then it will start looking like this and it'll start looking way more full than original. And next we're going to add in our gold leaves, which are going to go right up in here. So I'm gonna add those on and we'll see how those go. All right, so we went ahead and added our gold leaves in and it's starting to look really pretty and really full. So I'm excited. Yes, I'm extra and I can't wait to wear scarves, even though it's like 85 degrees. I'm still excited to embrace the fall. Anyways, next, we're going to be adding in our white pieces. Yes! There's a lot of orange and gold going on. This is gonna balance everything out and kind of make it pop even more. Just kind of bring out everything and throw everybody for loops. So let's add it. Then you have your white pieces in right there. And next we're going to add in these on top. And then we're going to finish it with this and a ribbon. So let's go ahead and add these on and then I'll show you guys how to make the perfect ribbon for the top. All right, y'all, so this is what it's gonna look like with all of the extra accessories and embellishments. I'm not sure what they're called. Comment below if you know, but I just call them embellishment and accessories for the wreath. So that's what they're gonna look like. I am gonna go ahead and hot glue this up there and make sure that that stays in there just to kind of keep it from falling because it's not staying up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that at the very end, but right now I am going to hot glue this around all of the top. Oops. And then we're gonna add on the ribbon. So I'll go to do that and then we will show you the final product. Who's excited? I'm excited. So this is kind of what it's gonna look like. Once this gets done, then I'm going to add this bow on top. But I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue gun everything I need to. That way when the ribbon is done, we're ready to hang. Okay, y'all, we have everything in place. I am going to go ahead and add on the ribbon on top so it'll give it that final touch. Let's see if I can do this. So what you're gonna wanna do first is take the ribbon around the nice big piece. I leave it on there and I tie a nice big knot. We're gonna try this again. Like I said, this is my first time. So I'm just gonna try this again here. Wrap it back around. Two big elephant leaves, right? There you go, y'all. There's your perfect bow. Perfect bow. So we're gonna try this again. And then once I figure it out, I'm gonna come back on here and tell y'all exactly how I did it. Oh my gosh, the colors look so pretty. I was worried about this ribbon and it looks so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Guys, I really don't know how to tie ribbon. We're gonna make this really pretty, but it's gonna take, we will see. We will see. Thank God I'm not doing this live. All right, y'all, so this is the completed wreath look. This is my very first time ever making a wreath. It was on my bucket list. I've always wanted to make one. I was always so in awe of like, oh my gosh, that mom is so, she's got it going on. She can make a wreath. And I've got it going on because I just made my very first wreath. If you like this video and want to see more, I guess, do-it-yourselves with me, then give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and comment below your favorite embellishment that I added on and what kind of wreath you're gonna make after being inspired to do this. I'm not a pro ribbon tire, so it's as best as I really wanted to do. I think it's kind of cute and quirky like me. So that's the great thing about making your own wreath, is it is your personality and it shines through. Remember, you don't have to do the exact way that I did it. I picked out the colors that I thought really represented me and the things that I like, and it just kind of all flowed together and came together. So this is what I ended up with, and I've always loved bright colors. It's just my thing, and this is my very first wreath. I'm really excited because now I'm that mom that made a wreath. Now I'm totally making one for every holiday. Sorry, Kevin. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Thanks for joining me with my very first ever fall wreath. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't believe I made it.